Yes, yes, listen closely.
Whispers in the trade winds, keeping it inside. Years gone by, and the tide still rolls. We sit on the beach, shadows stretching long, humming along to the same old song. I know the exact way you laugh at the sea, but you never see what you mean to me. Too scared to reach, too shy to break the mold, holding on to a secret never told. The horizon is calling, the reef starts to glow. Sandrendrame utukuna.
So hard for me to say
What you need to know.
caught in the current, freezing on the shore.
I don't wanna just be your friend anymore.
This heavy heart is floating away,
Wishing for the courage I
couldn't find today.
on the money.
I am in love with you.
Crying out to the sky, but the words always drown when you look in my eyes.
More than a shadow, more than a mate,
Silently standing, just
leaving it to fade.
another sunset painting the sky blue and red. Remembering every single thing that we said. My hands start to shake when you sit close to me. Under the shade of the green coconut tree, I change the subject, I look at my feet, missing the chance while my chest skips a beat.
The horizon is calling, the reef starts to glow.
Sandrendrame utukuna.
It's so hard for me to say,
What you need to know.
caught in the current, freezing on the shore.
I don't wanna just be your friend anymore.
This heavy heart is floating away,
Wishing for the courage I couldn't find today. I'm no money,
I am in love with you.
crying out to the sky, but the words always drown when you look in my eyes.
More than a shadow, more than a maze,
Silently standing, just
leaving it to fade.
yeah, look. Years in the making, no moves am I taking. Stuck in the friend zone, my spirit is aching. We share the same cover, we share the same view, but you don't see the fire I harbor for you. Too timid to speak, my knees getting weak. Playing it safe while the outlook is bleak. I step to the mic, but my throat goes dry. Watching the beautiful seasons pass by.
Na Vude,
Trapped in my head,
living with things
that I should have just said. If I tell you the truth, will you walk away? Will the warmth of our summers turn into gray? Faka
Mbolo,
my racing mind, leaving the best of my youth